We have in front of us a VW T6 van conversion. Company's called Discarvery, which sounds to me like a well-known cable television operator. Which one is it? Maybe it's CNN. Let's have a look inside. As you can see, it costs from 40,000 euros, more or less. And we have this one here, which is quite basic, and this one over here, which has got a lot more to offer. Now, you can hear in the background got some the hoovers going off, but it's only time I can actually get in. So I've actually said this in the past. So as you can see here, it says EuraMobil. Must be the builder, DE. And so, relatively straightforward look in here. Something rather standard we've got down there. Two-way fridge, electric fridge. And here a little bit of a kitchen. And at the back, of course, as you'd expect, some storage. So, gives an idea. Now, I started off my campervan life in a van somewhat similar to this. Of course, it was a T4. It didn't have a tent in the roof. I'll show you the tent. So I wanted one without a tent, so I could actually stand up inside. But if you've got an underground garage, for example, as incidentally I did have at around the time I bought it, which I wouldn't have been able to get inside. So that I can understand why you might want to have that up there. Now this is obviously quite basic. It's got the No Thrills edition. But for 40,000, to be quite honest, it's like half the price of what a VW Ocean cost. Offering less. Unless VW Ocean's got something I've missed. And you can see at the back as well. There's somebody in the US with this channel called Living the Van Life. He travels around in a Westie. Admittedly, it's somewhat older than this one, but it's the same sort of thing. This is the updated version. Right, so let's have a look at a flasher one here. Now this one's got a 20,000 euros worth of extra kit added onto it. Now I've got to say something about what's happened to me. This arm here, right arm, I've got something called carpal tunnel syndrome, and it causes quite a lot of pain when I actually hold the camera. I mean, it's only about a kilo in total, but I really feel now. It's the first thing I've done with my left hand. First time I've filmed with my left hand. So anyway, that's that problem. The biggest single thing here is the tent in the roof, as far as the extras are concerned.
So this is our 2019 Wohnbus T6.
Yes.
And we have some special features that are unique in this class of vehicles. So we have a really big table inside the van, so you can sit here up to 4 people and everybody can have his dish in front of him. So it's enough space for everyone.
Yes. No, that's really good. I really like a big table.
Yeah, it's important.
Yes, my van, self-build, it's got a very big table. So
okay.
Yeah, it's very important, I think.
So we have a 2-flame cooking solution inside.
Yes.
You can put it out for cooking so that you have more space to the back, so it won't get such warm and it's much cleaner like this.
Yes.
And you can also remove the whole cooker from inside the van.
Yes.
With just one screw.
Mm-hmm.
You can take it and use it on the outside, which is really useful because most of the people don't want to cook inside the van most of the time, but outside.
Yes, certainly. Yes.
So it's a big advantage if you can take it out.
Mm-hmm. So I see you've got a 2-way, an electric fridge as well.
Yeah,
from
right.
Dometic. Yes.
We have a lot of space, storage space inside the kitchen, behind the door. We also have a drawer inside for some more structure in your storage. For small utilities like knives and stuff like this, we have a small drawer above the fridge. The sink is here. You can use this place for cutting vegetables and stuff. It's a very solid surface. What's also special about this conversion is the material we use. It's a special surface that's very soft to touch and very resistant.
No, undoubtedly, yes, soft, yes, certainly, yes.
So you like it to touch.
Yes.
Because it feels really good.
Yes.
We have special light switches inside for the kitchen and for the little cabinet right in the back for books or stuff like that. All the lights are dimmable, so you can make a romantic atmosphere if you want to. The electric of the car we have put inside the cabinet, so you can check your batteries, but you don't have to see the not so nice display the whole time. So we put it here, and also the fuses.
Ah, okay, that's easy to get to.
It's easy to access.
Yes,
that's very important.
Yes, yes, certainly.
But they are not visible in the first view. Underneath the seat we have a big drawer where you can put a lot of stuff in.
Yes.
All our drawers have a soft close function built in, so it's all smooth and nice. You can check out the back if you want to.
Okay, great.
The big advantage of the seat we use is that you still have a lot of space in the back for storage. You can put this one up for easy access.
That is unusual. I have not seen that before.
Yeah, it's really useful when you go shopping and put your water or your big things in. You don't have to dive in a hole. You can use it like this. In the back we have lighting for reading in the afternoon. The switch here on the night table. Also a USB port for charging your smartphone in the evening when you lie in the bed. Two more storage places here. With soft close too, of course.
Yes.
And this is fresh water. It's about 27 liters, which is enough for a weekend.
Yeah, it's a good shape. So you've used the wheel arch for the water. That's very good.
Right. Otherwise, this was a wasted space.
Yes,
because you can't
certainly.
put anything on it.
Yeah, yeah, that's very good. Yes.
We have a connector for a shower. You can wash your hair or take a little shower outside. Here's the space for 5 kilos of gas.
Yes.
You can use it daily as your usual car. You have 5 seats inside and 4 beds.
Yes.
So it's perfect for families when you just need one car for everything.
Yes. And up here, isolation built in, but this will come out as well. The what you put up here is isolated, insulated.
It's
sorry,
it's
wrong word in
insulated
English.
underneath.
Sorry, wrong word in English. Sorry, sorry. Yes.
We have isolation underneath the covers, of course, and underneath the carpet.
Yes.
So we covered also all the metal parts with the carpet to make it a little bit more smooth and nice to touch. And it's also a little bit kind of isolation.
Yes. sorry, I said the word wrong. It is insulation in English. Every other language I know it's isolation.
I wouldn't have noticed that, so no problem.
Excellent. Okay, very, very nice. Very good.
Yeah.
And so what's the difference between this? Obviously, I realise that you've got a major price difference, and you've obviously got a lot more additional things on this than you have on the other one. So 20,000 euros almost of extras.
Most of the difference is based on the features of the van. The engine is the bigger one in this car, but it's just in a... How is it called?
Horsepower.
Yeah, horsepower. You can choose every horsepower in every van.
Yes,
so
yes.
The real price difference between just the conversion is about 7,000 euro, because the van over there is a kind of serial production.
Yes.
A lot of vans are produced like this, with the same furniture, this color, this flooring, up to 150 a year, I guess.
Yes.
And this car is more of a manufactured.
Toward a special type, handcrafted.
Yeah,
That's
a lot
a good
of
word.
handwork on it. Yeah,
Yes.
right. And that's why it's a little bit more expensive, and the materials are a little bit more worthy and expensive.
Okay, that's great. Oh well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.